Hello everyone, my name is Untitled and my project is the impact and information analysis of a car's front impact bar. So modern automobiles are often compared to the older vehicles from the 50s, 60s and 70s. And one of the main points that is often compared and contrasted by especially older people is how those older cars used to have those big, heavy and strong metal bumpers. And because modern cars usually are made of composites, the outer layers, and they also have many layers of different structures and materials that help absorb and then dissipate the force of the impact. The innermost layer of protection, it can be seen as a reminiscent of those old metal bumpers. However, instead of just being as stiff and strong as possible, is made to assist with the energy dissipation. Here you can see some like examples of what that bar is. You can see on the right corners an intact example of how those bars are. They have many different shapes. Basically, each model of car has a different shape bar. And on the left side, you can see one after a very bad collision, most likely into a light pole, I would say. And you can see how deformed it can get. So car manufacturers clearly have performed tests and analysis on the materials and on design of those impact bars. However, at this moment, I haven't been able to find much about it online, either from the manufacturers or any research paper, to be honest. And so I can see this project being a good avenue for me and for anyone to understand better on the importance of this component and see exactly how it works, since that there's not much information available. Main objective of this project is to understand and analyze how the front impact bar deforms in a way to absorb the energy of a frontal collision, which better protect the passengers of the vehicle. You can also visualize the different behaviors of the different materials that are commonly used in this application, which are usually consist of steel or aluminum. Here's a basic, simplified, temporary as well model that I've made using Creo of one of those impact bars. A few of them have instead of being curved, they are straight. So I started my modeling by using one of those types, and then I used that model on Nsys Workbench. Here you can see the mesh that I applied to the model using the size of 25 millimeters. And under that, you can see after 10,000 Newton load was applied on the front area of the bar, you can see the deformation and how the bar is actually doing what it's supposed to. It's deforming and absorbing the impact of the collision. When it comes to the material specifications, I still haven't been able to find an exact type of material. I know that they're usually made of steel and aluminum, but I haven't been able to find an exact material that they're made of. So for this simulation on Workbench, I use the standard structural steel, and here you can see some of its material properties: the density, the tensile yield strength, the compressive yield strength, tensile ultimate strain, the Young modulus, and the Poisson ratio. That's all that I have for now. Thank you very much.